Yeah, yotsongo va ka hina I manyanga tsi tsongomisa man vona mos bam dance ya June. So I'm back like again. Na ku mtivisa ku ta hlangana ka event ya the 24 Heritage Day at the Rest Lodge Sibara. MC ku ta va ku ri madzane ne le makenyeni line up ilutini mina mi swi tiva ku mi nga na mina ka Facebook Songa Music Promotion, you know something up is coming, and we've been doing the event at GPS for the last 4 weeks and have always been successful. So if there's anyone that have promotion packages like promote a lot of album or anything that you wanna promote, hit me up for promotional packages. How much are you willing to pay, and what are the packages that you want? So I'm lo hasa so nyangatse loko ro subscribe and kombela subscribe nakubalabula ku, you know guys, ni realize it only takes one move to change your life. But then I'm gonna relate this thing ka Songa music, you know. Majority of these artists, I think are going on war leaders, we can only rate it like follow it back to one move linga chicha vutomi and that's what I saw makam, you know. Music was on Magam, Awangari, this rotational. Owing is a Mashaka Wangana, people who know him because I don't know advantage ya promotion, Casto, and the Mafanya brothers so speak. So look at Tangat Simuta, Diana Kamafanya brothers, people who wanted to know really. However, at this stage, no so Magam because of one small move has changed his whole career. After the Semra Giovanni Genius introduced the sound that Solmakam currently plays. It's electro nyana imifuse wanyana na sound ya way back iteration. It introduced the kind of messages that he plays. And another thing, Leshinga important, he branded himself. Must one. So Giovanni Genius changed the whole career of Solmakam. As much as Angaka look formula, Mishanu was formula, but then Giovanni Genius changed it. Changed how people when I'm also because you know banbana this tendency ya ku vona munhu a endletela swo tala but then loko tshama sa va hleketi ku how much good and how much did it take for this guy to do these things. Now some of the brothers ulangusa loyi mona ulangusa album ya HIV Makenzi ulangusa album ya Solmakam album tin'wana loko swi langutisa hi ndlela ya ku nga ri analytical nge swi voni the guy is working hard, nge swi voni the guy at some point is smart as well. So the moment they said Giovanni Genius and they tried following up songs na tini akhavala the makata the way is been active ka Xitsonga xa music wa Xitsonga ka entertainment ya Vatsonga munhu wa unique simba fana titiya. They changed his whole career. It changed how we look at him. Just that one small move. I'm moving on. Ever for Ben Mengani needs to play disco. And as much as we would like to say career Ben Mengani at disco was successful, it wasn't. But when you know some good album here and ever lovely referral card, but the album here Ben Mengani after slow sad and get the papel. So the one thing that Ben Mengani and Leguna Shona played around people's minds. He introduced himself as the messiah of Songa music, someone who came to rescue music. So, Avambiwe mayenga, pana va hina n'weseve, ava nga tlangi ta Xitsonga, ku no langena mayenga, se va tlanga Xichangani. Byela vanhu va tiva byela Matsonga hi xilo ka risimu, they believe it. So Ben Mengani from 2011 to 2012 he was introducing himself. Those one few moves that I'm at the atukana dokodela atitivisa kumina nikulungwana Vatsonga ningozi navuma wangena stage na khoma mic ativisa vanhu leswi mistokela ka team leswi mina nga xiswona. That's one move to prove himself because one of the greatest artists changed his whole life. He's leading now to so connect I'll move because nga vulavula ngopfu ni nga zani get an on leswi ni nga endla video leyi ni endla so just check out the Joshua man Joe Shirman introduced himself as the Messiah, Louis, a discoverer of the new Kota music store. And he did it in 2011. Mene domise shaka bundo. Mene domise. So Joe Shirman has Kawatonga is this guy Louis, Angatisa Penpeni, Atisa SM, Atisa Hasani, Atisa Ben Mangani, Atisa Pens Rangani, Atisa Psychology, Atisa Combo, Atisa like countless people to the game. It's like Joe Shirman kutisa talent, but is top, is one of the best. And we were made to realize and believe this. That one move, Svara. That one move, Svara. If you're a musician and you're watching this, think about it. It's gonna change your whole scenario. You have musical problems away. Now move on. One of this guy having a like stylist, ne? Before ni balabla enter about the guys, because recently balabla na very angashla what to say, he doesn't take photos with fans, is rude and stuff. If he's gonna watch this video, me ne kutekela like I would advise him that Swara muni you're an entertainer, do me TikTok circulated got WhatsApp and Facebook. And these very same people who pushed your art. You wanna wakombela kukutukuma baranashnepe nawe. No? Munwawa swara. Munwawa ambi atujilukuta kuma interview here and there. But once the people get tired of you, get tired of your attitude, they're gonna fuck you up. Bakarala man. Sure. But anyways, Lekra Stylist is very talented. Swara is a powerful actor. And he posted a few days ago, this guy has proven himself so many times on TikTok, and it's true. Lekra Stylist is a powerful actor. She's a but the one thing with that man, the one move which I think it will change his life, is for him to pave him into music. It's for him to pave him into events. I wanna spara the events have money. I wanna spara music. If you capitalize on it, has money. So that move, that one move, to move from a second of being an online entertainer to allowing people to say, see me, I can dance live, I can do those TikTok things live, I can also record a studio. Change this life, and it will continue to change his life. A fast lane forever in his life. The gem from this. I'm getting at one move, young Gana studio. After the one was only Quran that the video change his life. That one move. And the a lot of people are playing out there. Batsonga are playing out there, and they're wasting their talent because gang cool. I want to give a practical example. It's the last thing that I'm going to say. Because this one is supposed to be a motivational thing. That one move, Swara. That one move says Swamina. Masingita Tombi Amtonga and Foka. That one move, you go and live video, you sungula, and try to send it to Belmeng, and it changed your entire career. It started a career for her. What if you? She has a brand. Tombi Amtonga and NYM. Through that one move. To say, let me record myself, let me record my art, let me put it out there. People now know her and love her as well. So the last example it's me. That's why I'm probably one of the most hated people Kawatonga online. And to be honest, I don't care. I don't care. When I started doing these things, I think it was 2016, 2015, I used to write the reviews ka VIV Mac. We used to write reviews na the pep, and I would get a lot of backlash. I watch us the money. We moved VIV Mac, put on stop Tonga Pop. Moved from Tonga Pop. WordPress same shit went on. Facebook and then I was advised in Lamulo TV. Next time some of us last year, I think, around the June. We're in for start your own YouTube channel. See what happens. not like YouTube Spara. If you wanna check, cool, Melela, and there are so many people who are insulting. But then I've realized, if I didn't take that one move to actually think and portray myself as a self-made, self-proclaimed stronger music analyst, and there are so many benefits that I'm receiving now. With that one move, that one confident move, I wanna be in this game, and I'm gonna be in this game. So I have more than 10,000 subscribers. We're doing events here and there, everywhere, and at the event, and at the event, I know people are gonna come. Why? Because of that influence that came with that one move. So I'm saying this, all the hustlers out there, and at the t-shirt there, and in Sbara, let's get out. That's one of the but anyways, ngari subscribe. I need to be why I need to know but then be confident that one move. That one move. Sharp. I am gonna subscribe. And another thing, the rest 24. Yeah, sharp.